Hello student. So today we are going to learn our third chapter. The chapter name is hardware and software. So this is our part first. So far we have learned about the unique features of computer system due to which this machine has become so versatile. So it is nowadays getting used at almost every place. But it is this machine alone which is so capable or it needs something else also to solve our problem. So let us discuss in this chapter. So the computer system is mainly a combination of two components. There are hardware and software. The both complement each other to solve user problems. So we will discuss these two components and to understand their importance and cover the uses of some essential hardware and software required for the working of computer system. So the first component is hardware and the second is software. So let's discuss first hardware. So let's start. Hardware. So firstly, what is meant by hardware? So the hardware means all the physical components of computer system, means the parts which can be see or touch are called hardware. So some of these parts are visible outside the CPU box like keyboard, monitor, mouse, speaker, printer, microphone, etc. And while others are inside the CPU box like hard disk, motherboard, CPU chip, etc. So some commonly used hardware components are, so we will discuss this. So the first is keyboard. So the keyboard is an input device and which is used to enter the data and instruction into the computer system. So what is meant by the input devices? Input devices means the hardware devices which are used to enter the data or instruction are called the input devices. So the keyboard, it has usually 104 keys on it. Next is mouse. So the mouse is also another input device. Okay. So first is the scroll mouse. Second is optical mouse and cordless mouse. So nowadays the wireless mouse is mostly used. So the mouse which is generally come with the two buttons and the roller on it. The mouse is mostly used to point and select the object on the screen, and it's also used to making the drawing, play the games, etc. Next is the microphone. So the microphone is one hardware component and it is an input device. So this hardware component is used to with the computer system to record the voice or the other sound into the computer system. And this microphone is used to give our instruction to the computer. The next is monitor. So monitor is such a important component of computer system, means which gives us a output of result produced by the computer. So this is also known as a VDU, means a visual display unit. So the monitor comes into a CRT and TFT model. So the first is a CRT model. First is a CRT model. The CRT means the cathode ray tube. The second is a TFT model. The TFT means a thin film transistor. So these both models nowadays, this TFT monitor are more popular because of their shapes and lightweight. So the TFT are available in a LCD. So the full form of LCD is liquid crystal display, and LED, also we called as an LED, light emitted diode technology. So the CRT monitor and the TFT monitor both are the input devices. So the touchscreen monitor are also used nowadays, means which work by sense the finger touch on the screen. So the touchscreen monitor is both input as well as output device. So next is speakers. So the speaker is also the another output devices. So what is meant by output devices? So the hardware devices on which get the output are called as an output devices. Okay. So the speaker which is used to gives us sound output from the computer. Next is printer. So the printer is a hardware component, and this printer is used for print anything on the paper that we can see on the monitor screen. Next is CPU, the central processing unit. So the CPU box is the main unit of computer system, and this system which all other hardware components are connected through the main electronic board called as a motherboard. Look at here, this is the motherboard, core chip i7, hard disks, RAM, ROM, and this is the circuit of motherboard. So these all some other hardware component which are inside the CPU box are hard disk, CD DVD drive, CPU chip, memory chip, power supply, etc. And the CPU is mainly used to solve our problems and control the working of computer. So all of these physical components of computer system are known as a hardware. So thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.